Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about a very important part that's going to help you grow your business, which is going to be coupon codes. So these codes can help you in a wide variety of ways. The biggest one, obviously, is going to be incentivizing your customers to spend more by giving them, $5 off for, I don't know, everything over $30, $10 off purchases on $50, and let's say $20 off on purchases over $100. So that's like the most bare bones way to do it. And we're going to go into coupon codes here on the left, and we're going to see all the things we can actually do. So on the left, you can see your existing coupons. So it can be anything. Everything that you type in here is going to be what the customer needs to type in their checkout page in order to get the discount, right? So we're gonna go to the code and we're gonna say first five, for example, right? So the first five can be a coupon and not a gift card, and it's gonna deduct from the order subtotal, delivery fee, or order total. That's totally up to you how you want to structure it. You can deduct a amount or a percent. In this case, we're going to put an amount and we're going to put it for $5. Okay. Order types, you can select, do you want to only include delivery or only takeout or both? And we can say that it starts over $30, for example. It expires, let's say you're launching your delivery service, or you're rebranding, or you're doing like a special, right? And let's just say it runs like a back to school special, right, for parents. So it expires at the end of September, for example. Time of the day, you can also select the times. We suggest you leave it just because, if you try to predict when people are going to order, you probably lower the amount of people that are actually going to order and use the coupon. So just leave it as it is. Max uses, you can put, only first 500 customers get it, or max uses per customer. This is the really important one, right? Max uses per customer, you can say 1, right? So you can do this one-time code for your customers to get $5 off. So once we do that, we can select the days of the week if you want to. You can actually select specific restaurants, and this is really powerful if you want to do like you're launching a new restaurant, your new restaurant partner, and you tell them, hey, we're gonna run this coupon code, and we can split the cost, and we can say, you cover $250 of this discount, and I'll cover $250 of the discount, or you don't charge them commission for the first 2 weeks. So that way you build up this following, you build up the client base from these new restaurants so they can be returning customers later down the road. And then you can see that you can either charge it to you as their delivery service or completely to the restaurant if that's the case. Now, customer limits. Okay. Now deduct the amount used from the code amount until the code reaches 0. Okay. So this is going to use it up completely. Limit to first-time users only. This one is really important too, because the first 5 can be obviously a first-time user discount code, but this is why we have fraud alerts. And if you didn't check that video out, go ahead and check it. It's in our YouTube page and also on our Confluence. And you can actually see if there's customers that have the same address, but they're using different accounts to order and trying to get like additional discounts and things like that. Then we also have limit to app orders, so only the people that are using the app are going to be using it. Then we have promote this code on confirmation page and emails. So basically, once they actually check out, it's going to tell them, hey, there's this code, you can use it next time if you want to make it, $20 off a $100 order. And then we have notifications, display dispatcher alert upon usage. It's just going to give you a little blimp on that order once a user utilizes the code. And this is where I was telling you the fraud alerts are really important to just keep track. If there's, from the same household, there's 4 different people ordering with the code, they're trying to abuse the system basically. And then we also have send admin email upon usage. So this is just going to notify if you want to know once the codes are being used. This can get spammy, so it's totally up to you. If you make it make sense business wise, so you're not losing money on these coupon codes, you should be fine. You can also add some text here if you want to, and then we can put notes. Notes are going to be internal, so if you go to any of these coupon codes, and let's just say we go to this one, which is August 2022, we can see if anybody made any changes. Right now, if we scroll down, we can also see that the code activity, so we can see that these codes were used this time around, what the amount that was deducted was, and we can see the timestamp on when they were used. Sorry, when they were modified, right? And it can tell you which process it is, so code maintenance in this case. Now in here, you can also include filter through gift card certificates as well, and also you can include expired and depleted codes, meaning that once the code, you have max uses of, let's say, 500, right? And if you save that, once the code reaches 500, it's just not going to work anymore. So if you want to take a look at the ones you did before, you can also check that as well. Now try to keep the naming conventions kind of make sense to you, because you can always go back and reactivate the codes if you want to, but it's always nice to keep it organized so you can quickly sort through it, because you can search through the codes, but sometimes you may be thinking you did a $5, you might be thinking that you did $5 off, but instead you did off 5, for example, right? So just keep that in mind, just so you can keep a better track of it. Now, that's going to be it for coupon codes. On your cart, they'll be able to punch this code in and get the discount. So be very careful how you structure these codes, and make sure that you fill out the max uses per customer field. Extremely important. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.